Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by trimming and seasoning the steak so the surface muscles sear evenly. This locks flavor. Once your pan hits 400 degrees 450 degrees F, add a thin film of oil and place the steak down. Don't move it for 90-120 seconds to develop a crust. You want a deep brown Maillard reaction because that creates savory complexity. Make sure to flip only once for medium rare, if you prefer more done. Add 1-2 minutes per side. Once seared, transfer to a 375 degrees F oven. If the steak is thicker than 1 inch, to reach an internal temp of 125 degrees 130 degrees F for medium rare. Use a probe to avoid overcooking. After cooking, rest the steak 5-10 minutes under loose foil so juices redistribute and the meat firms slightly. This prevents taco sogginess. Make sure to slice across the grain into 1/8 You assemble by warming tortillas until just pliable, then layer slices of steak, diced onion, cilantro, and a squeeze of lime for brightness. Once done, add salsa or crema to balance heat and richness. Avocado or pickled onions add texture contrasts that cut fat. If the steak feels tough, slice thinner and briefly toss in a warm salsa or finish with an acid like lime to help break down fibers. Make sure to taste and adjust salt before serving.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.